Money is a weird hallucination we all agreed on. That 20 in your pocket is just cotton and linen with a dead guy's face on it, but you can trade it for pizza because everyone pretends it's worth something. That's it. That's the whole trick. Money isn't wealth. It's a tool for moving wealth around. The goal was never to collect paper. The goal is to own things that make the paper keep coming. Banks. Picture this. You hand your $1,000 to a bank. They smile, give you a 0.01% interest rate, then lend your money to someone else at 22% on their credit card. You're the investor. They just forgot to tell you. Banks are middlemen who built marble lobbies using the spread between what they pay you and what they charge everyone else. Use them. Don't trust them to make you rich. Interest. You borrow $10,000 for a jet ski. Fun. 6 years later, you've paid $16,000. The jet ski is worth $2,000 and smells like a raccoon. That's interest. Rent on money. Now flip it. You invest $10,000 at 8%. In 30 years, it's $100,000. Same math. Different direction. Interest is either your worst enemy or your best unpaid employee. The choice is in who's collecting it. Inflation. In 1995, a burrito cost $3. Today, that same burrito is $11 and somehow smaller. You didn't get poorer. The dollar did. Governments print more money chases the same burritos, prices climb. Cash sitting in a checking account is melting ice. Roughly 3% a year, quietly, forever. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you're not saving. You're slowly donating to the economy. Assets. Imagine 2 shoeboxes. One box has a TV, a car, and a designer hoodie. The other has stocks, a rental property, and a boring index fund. The first box loses value every year. The second box pays you while you sleep. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities pull it out. The rich don't just earn more, they own more of the right box. Debt. You walk into a dealership. You leave with a $45,000 SUV and a monthly payment that eats your weekends for 7 years. That's bad debt. Now imagine borrowing $200,000 to buy a building that pays you $2,500 a month in rent. Same word, opposite outcome. Debt isn't evil. Debt used to buy depreciating junk is. Debt that buys cash flow is a cheat code. You make $60,000. You see $44,000. The rest vanished before you met it. Taxes fund roads, schools, and a military nobody asked for. Fine. But the tax code is also a manual. Retirement accounts, business deductions, long-term capital gains. The system rewards people who read the instructions. The wealthy don't dodge taxes. They just understand the rules you never bothered to open. Credit your credit score as a pet dog. Ignore it and it poops all over your life. Higher loan rates, rejected apartments, humiliating phone calls. Feed it, walk it, pay bills on time, and it opens doors. It's a 3-digit number that decides whether the system treats you like an adult. Compounding invests $200 a month starting at 20. By 60, you have roughly $620,000. Start at 30, around $280,000. Same monthly deposit, half the money. Compounding is your money duplicating itself like a cheat code, but only if you give it time. Time is the real currency. Money is just the receipt. Money isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you understand. The people winning this game aren't smarter than you. They just read the rules.